Good afternoon, Mr. Davis. Hi, Floyd. Good to see you guys again. How are you?
We're good, Dr. Nelson. How are you?
Wonderful. It looks like Floyd here is due for his deworming, his heartworm test, his vaccinations, and his annual exam. Do you have any specific questions or concerns about Floyd that you want to discuss?
Well, he doesn't seem to be having any problems.
Well, great. Let's let Patricia take him back and get started.
Great.
Come here, buddy.
Thanks. See you, buddy.
All right.
I do want to talk to you about the plan that Kathy and Patricia mentioned. How can it help me take better care of Floyd?
Well, I'm glad you asked. Sometimes it's difficult to notice subtle medical issues with pets, so many problems can go undetected. But by bringing Floyd in on a more frequent basis, we can detect any issues earlier on, before they become harder to treat, on both Floyd and your budget. And I know you want what's best for Floyd, and sometimes it's not always easy to pay for visits or have unpredictable costs.
I thought bringing him in once a year was good enough.
Well, dogs age more rapidly than we do, so bringing Floyd in once a year is like you or I seeing a doctor every 4 to 6 years.
Wow, I never thought about it like that.
Well, also there are diseases that initially may not show any obvious signs. For example, by the time the signs for kidney disease are noticeable, 75% of the kidney function is already irreversibly lost. It's not uncommon for me to see pets with problems that could have been prevented or more easily managed with regular preventive care. Skipping preventive care can mean more complicated treatment and bigger bills later, not to mention the effect on Floyd's quality of life.
Yeah, that does sound scary. So catching problems earlier on can give me more time with a healthy Floyd. And the stuff we're doing today is already included in the plan.
Yeah, and since we're getting some of Floyd's blood for his heartworm test, we can also do a full blood panel to check his internal organ functions as well. This test will give us a baseline on his current health, and it's also included in the Healthy Dog Plan.
That sounds great. Let's sign Floyd up for the plan today.
Fantastic.